Paragraph 5. And for all this, Evelyn won't accept any hint of heroic achievement. For all this, what Evelyn has achieved in her life, she would never be proud of that. She was so humble and down to earth whenever anybody would mention that she has been such a great person. So she will remain humble. If you work hard and know where you are going, you will get there. She would just say that if you know just two things in life, number one, that is hard work, and number two, your aim to achieve, if you know these two things in life, you will definitely reach heights. And she got right to the top, the world's most sought after multi percussionist, with a mastery of some thousand instruments and hectic international schedule. So she also reached the top level, and where anybody would like to go, she became the most sought after multi percussionist. Sought after means very popular, in demand, and multi percussionist means a person who can play so many musical instruments. She got the mastery of some thousand musical instruments. She could play not just a few musical instruments but thousands of the musical instruments, and hectic international schedule. And she became such a popular musician that she had no time, she had such a busy schedule, that she had, because she had to go all around the world to give performances. Para 6. It is intriguing to watch Evelyn function so effortlessly without hearing. The author says it is so intriguing, means it is fascinating to watch Evelyn function so easily even if she cannot hear. In our 2 hour discussion, she never missed a word. The author of the lesson, Deborah Cowley, says that when he had an interview with Evelyn, Evelyn could understand everything, whatever he said. She did not even miss a single word while the interview was going on. And she said, "Men with bushy beards give me trouble." She laughed. "It is not just watching the lips, it is the whole face, especially the eyes." So Evelyn says that those men who are having a bushy beard, they give her a trouble because of the bushy beard she is not able to read their lip movement, and it becomes a little difficult for her to understand the words. She laughed. "It is not just watching the lips, it is the whole face, especially the eyes." So she says it is not just the lips that she tries to read, but also the expression of the face, especially the eyes. And from there, she tries to understand the whole speech. She speaks flawlessly with a Scottish lilt. So her speech has got a Scottish accent. Accent is the way of speaking, the lilt. Scottish lilt means the way of speaking or the accent. And she speaks in Scottish accent without any mistake, that is flawlessly. "My speech is clear because I could hear till I was 11," she says. So she clears it to the interviewer that her speech is so clear because she could hear till she was at the age of 11. After that only she lost her hearing. But that doesn't explain how she managed to learn French and master basic Japanese. But even after that, after the 11 years of age, when he lost this hearing ability, after that also she could learn two more languages, that was French and basic Japanese. Para 7. As for music, she explains, it pours in through every part of my body. Eveline explains that music is there in every part of her body. She feels the music through every part of her body by feeling it in every part of our body. It tingles in the skin, my cheekbones, and even in my hair. Tingles means she says that it causes a pricking sensation into her body, in all the parts of the body, like in the skin, in her cheekbones, and even in her hair. When she plays the xylophone, she can sense the sound passing up the stick into her fingertips. When she uses xylophone, when she plays xylophone, she uses sticks and she can feel the vibrations of the music passing through her fingertips. By leaning against the drums, she can feel the resonances flowing into her body. When she plays the drums, she can feel the resonances. Resonances means the echoes of sounds made by the drum. She can feel that sound flowing into all her body. On a wooden platform, she removes her shoes so that the vibrations pass through her bare feet and up her legs. So when she plays the music, she performs on a wooden platform, and when she goes to the wooden platform, before that she removes her shoes so that she can go there barefoot, and she can feel the music in every part of her body, that is her feet also and her legs also. Para 8. Not surprisingly, Evelyn delights her audiences. There is no surprise in that Evelyn is able to make her audiences very happy. So in 1991, she was presented with the Royal Philharmonic Society's prestigious Soloist of the Year award. Says the master percussionist James Blade, God may have taken her hearing, but he has given her back something extraordinary. What we hear she feels far more deeply than any of us. That is why she expresses music so beautifully. So this master percussionist James Blades mentions very wonderful lines about her, that he says that though she cannot hear the music, but still she has managed to feel it so in so extraordinary ways that many of us can't do. And this, if you notice, students, the same lines we have read in the beginning of the chapter also. Para 9. Evelyn confesses that she is something of a work alcoholic. I've just got to work, often harder than classical musicians. So Evelyn accepts that she's a work alcoholic person, means she's a very hardworking person. She just cannot stop working. And she also says that she has to work hard uh, just to be at par with those who can hear, those classical musicians, those who can hear, they can play the music very well, and for to come at par with them she has to work very hard, but the rewards are enormous. So she also says, but the rewards of those hard works are very big, very huge. Apart from the regular concerts, Eveline also gives free concerts in prisons and hospitals. So Eveline does not keep away from doing charity. So she does not just give performances to earn money, but also she does it in charity. She also gives high priority to classes for young musicians. She also holds some classes for younger musicians. Anne Richlin of the Beethoven Fund for Deaf Children says she is a shining inspiration for deaf children. They see that there is nowhere that they can go. So it is said that The deaf children find Evelyn as a shining inspiration. They get motivation from her. She's an ideal for all, especially for those who cannot hear, and they think that they have nowhere to go in the life. They get an inspiration from her. Para 10. Evelyn Glennie has already accomplished more than most people twice her age. She has brought percussion to the front of the orchestra and demonstrated that it can be very moving. Now, Evelyn Glennie has already achieved in life what the people who are twice her age have still not achieved. She has brought percussion. Percussion means the instrument like xylophone, tabla, etc. to the front orchestra. Orchestra, as you know, is the group of musicians who play music and give performances. So generally what happens in an orchestra, these percussion instruments are kept in the backside. They are not given the front stage. But after Evelyn Glennie started playing all these instruments so beautifully, that these percussion instruments got a place in the front line in orchestra, and and demonstrated that it can be very moving. Should She could make people believe that these instruments also can be very fine and can come in front line. She has given inspiration to those who are handicapped, those people who are physically disabled or physically challenged, we would rather say, found some kind of inspiration from her. People who took to her and say, if sorry, people who look to her and say, if she can do it, I can. And not the least, she has given enormous pleasure to millions. So, on the one hand, people can look up to her as an inspiration. On the other hand, she has given a lot of pleasure, a lot of happiness to millions of people by playing these musical instruments so well. So, students, with this we come to the end of the chapter. Thank you.